Here are the 11 things that we know we need to get done. More things might pop up, but we better get started.
We are 20 minutes away from the border and we are going into Canada. I can't wait.
Welcome to Canada, eh? Hello, bonjour. We have 2 days to get the van packed and ready for our first trip out of the country in the van since May. The last time we took the van out of the country, we were in Baja, Mexico, which is much warmer than where we're going next.
For this trip, we are headed north, and in order to get the van ready for that, we have a lot of things to do.
Here are the 11 things that we know we need to get done. More things might pop up, but we better get started.
Kevin and I woke up a little bit late this morning, so the first thing we're going to check off our list is our COVID test. They are scheduled at 11:20 and 11:30, and it is currently 11:13, so that's where we're headed.
Getting through all my boogers in there. Alright, we're done.
Now it is time to officially pick up our Christmas tree.
So it is a family tradition of ours to go to a Christmas tree farm and actually get one, a live tree out of the ground, and saw it. Here where we are today, they saw it for you, which is nice. But when I was a child, sometimes we would have to bring our own handsaw and saw it down ourselves, which was kind of neat. But do you guys do real trees or fake trees? Let us know in the comments.
Jeez. Uh-oh. Uh-oh.
Uh-oh.
It's too tall.
We're too tall?
We're too tall.
Oh no.
We're too tall.
We are way too tall. I forgot the extra height with the tree stand. You might be wondering why we're even getting a tree if we're going to be gone for basically the month of December, but we're going to be home around the 19th, so we'll have 6 days in the house with the Christmas tree. And that's how we like it. We like to have a Christmas tree in the house, so we're getting one.
We'll try that again in a few minutes.
Ow! Well, we saw that happening, didn't we?
That plate is not sure.
Yeah, it's so rusted. Oh.
You know, Taylor didn't throw out my working gloves.
Oh, yeah, right.
This would have never happened.
Nobody threw them out. You misplaced them.
Wonder if sap and rust and dirt is good for wounds.
Yep.
Method. And I cut myself.
Attempt number 2. Jeez.
I got no help.
There's a branch just hang up.
No!
Uh-oh.
You gotta be kidding me.
Well, we still have about 6 inches more to go. Oh, those are the exact gloves I was talking about. Where did you find those, Mr.?
Yeah,
Underneath the I think we lost them.
Underneath the gardening stuff. Why would they be there?
Because they're gardening gloves. There's an idea. It fits! It's a little small. You should have left some more on there.
So now with our handy dandy tree stand, we just tilt it over.
And forward, towards you.
To me?
Yeah, it's like, it's not straight. Bring it towards you.
Still?
Yeah. There you go. That's straight. That's straight.
It's perfect.
2 checks off the list.
Jeez.
That is good. There we go. It's hard.
We got some water in our freshwater tank left over from the Smoky Mountains. So I'm gonna drain that and replace it with fresh water. While the water tank's filling up, I'm just getting the winter gear and my tools ready to go, just in case, God forbid, anything happens. We're prepared, we have supplies in the van, and we can handle anything that comes our way. All right, so we have tools, towing straps, air pump, socket wrenches, drills, chains, heat gun, tire plug, in case we run over a nail or something, all the way on top of the van. But we have our max tracks and a shovel. I need to dig anything out. Plenty of space for more stuff too. I think we might bring our ice skates. We also filled up our spare water jug because being in the winter, it's hard to get water. So we have this extra one that will help last us a bit longer if we're in a pinch and we need to find water. Gotta turn the water off to make sure the pipes don't freeze if it gets cold. Fill water tank, secure winter gear. Almost done.
Almost done. Does this all get in here?
It does. What do you think about the tree? A little skinny, but skinny's good. I'm gonna make sure the heater's working properly. Before you go on a winter trip, you wanna make sure it is, because the fuel line could be clogged or just not working. The fuel pump could be not working, so let's just make sure it is. 30 minutes. Red ring. Oh, you can hear the heater. It is cranking. Check the inside. That is nice and hot. We are good to go. Living the dream. The van is pretty much ready to go. I'm just gonna do the backup camera and insulate all the remaining pipes tomorrow. Then we got food shopping. I don't know what else. I gotta go check the list, but the heater is working.
I think this is my third trip and last trip out to the van for the day.
Today is day 2 on getting the van ready for our big winter trip. There are 5 things left on our to-do list. I'm gonna get started on insulating the pipes and the backup camera. Taylor's out already doing her food shopping, and we just have 2 things remaining, so it is time to get started. Installation's done. We could check that off the list, but I just realized that I need to switch out the Nature's Head compost toilet, clean out the compost, and redo that, so need to add that to it. Back to work. I really cannot believe I'm fixing this camera today. It's only 2 years old, but for whatever reason the focus is completely shot out. I tried to fix it. I called Mid-City Engineering and we couldn't figure it out. So unfortunately I have to replace it, and it's costing me $100 but moment of truth. Oh yeah, baby. That's clear. We're back. That is so annoying that the camera went bad in just 2 years. Basically like 20,000 miles worth of driving. So I am pretty disappointed in Mid-City Engineering's camera. They didn't replace it because it was outside the warranty, which is unfortunate, but just 2 years? That's crazy, crazy. But at least we got it fixed.
2 more checks off the list. Backup camera, compost, done. We are almost ready to go. I like this one. Whatever.
Finally done for the day. Van is packed. Food shopping is done. The only thing left to do is plan our route, which we will be doing tonight or tomorrow. We're not actually leaving until tomorrow morning because tonight we are headed to my sister's house to meet our new nephew.
Time to go. First big van trip since May. Well, we just realized we forgot something very, very critical. Passports. So we have to turn around. We're about 10 minutes into our journey, which stinks.
What a bummer. But at least we figured it out now.
Well, we are turning around for the second time because we forgot our coat. After already going back home for our passports.
I'm so pissed. It's so annoying. Now we're late.
We got it. We are ready to go. Hold on, chill out. Chill.
Why won't it?
Jeez.
I'm so annoyed.
Good night. Adios.
Liam.
What's his full name, Mama?
Liam Thomas Quinn.
We are officially back on the road in the van. We just left Taylor's sister's house after meeting Liam Thomas, but we are on our way north. We'll be crossing tomorrow morning, and then for our route, we are doing the Christmas markets in Canada, tackling at least 3 markets: Quebec City, Montreal, and Toronto. But I am so excited to be back in the van. It feels kind of free. Officially snowing out. We are about an hour and 10 minutes away from our spot for the night before we cross the border into Canada. Wasting time. Gas is getting expensive here. It's a little annoying, if you ask me.
Uh-oh. 666.
I should have put more in, huh? All right, let's get going here.
Waiting for this guy.
I'm arguing with them, saying that they're not giving us their food.
Well, that's not nice.
Not arguing, but I'm like, yeah, I placed an order here. They're like, I don't see the order. I was like, I have it right here. It's here.
Food's right here.
Yeah, yeah. Well, let's go, because I'm hungry.
I thought you were taking a dump.
Time to eat. Oh, I was standing there waiting. That's why I text you.
Well, you only just texted me.
No, it was delayed, because I was standing there for like 4 minutes.
Oh, no, I only just got it.
Alright.
Alright, off to the place. 6 minutes away.
Starving now.
Same.
We just got to our camp spot. We are right on Lake Champlain. It's getting down to 17 degrees tonight, so
I'm freezing.
cold weather is coming.
Now let's eat.
Yeah, at least we got Chick-fil-A though. It is a cold morning this morning. It is only 16 degrees outside. The snow is already coming down, but we are 20 minutes away from the border and we are going into Canada. I can't wait. Hey, there's a good light shining in you. We just got done at the gym. We're officially off to Canada, 31 miles away. Hey, there's a good light shining through. Hello, bonjour. Passports in the arrive can. Up. This is for Taylor's. We are gonna go explore the Christmas markets in Quebec, Montreal. Thank you. Have a good one. Happy holidays.
And we are officially in Canada. This border crossing was much easier than Mexico. He asked us a few questions and we're off. Oh, Timmy!
How excited are you for Tim Hortons right now?
Oh, I never had it before. It's the Wawa of the North. Don't you know?
Right after you cross the border, not even within 2 kilometers, there's a Tim Hortons, and we're in the parking lot right now. Taylor is super excited to try their coffee and heard that they have donuts as well. So the first thing that we are doing in Canada today is trying a donut at Tim Hortons as well as a coffee. Taylor thinks there's
Will it be as good as Wawa? Probably not.
Taylor thinks there's some secret lingo of a 2-2. Give me a 2-2 or a 1-1 or a 3-3.
There is. There is.
But we don't know it.
And I can't Google it.
And we don't have service to Google it, so we're going in blind. And we're in Quebec, so it's French speaking. So we're gonna go in there completely not knowing anything about it, so it's gonna be a little awkward. All right, are we trying it?
Yeah.
Drive through?
Yeah, let's go. Let's skedaddle. What should we get in here?
Bonjour. Parlez-vous anglais?
we speak English?
Yes.
Yeah.
All right. Can we have a apple fritter and a honey cruller and
What's the Tim Hortons way? Isn't it like a 2x2 or a 2 for 2?
is there a local way to say it or something like
A
that?
double-double?
A
Double. That's it. I knew there was a way.
Wow, I knew it was. I was close.
We're
but
clearly, you know,
from the other side.
yeah.
First timers.
Merci. Merci.
So we got an apple fritter and Mama Lucy's favorite, French cruller. This is all she ate.
We heard Tim Hortons is pretty good, so.
This is great.
2 bites before my one.
It's really, really good. Really good. Oh, you just dropped some.
That is full of sugar. The dough inside is really soft.
So soft.
Yeah. A little crisp on the outside though.
That's the French cruller for you.
Yeah, it's good. Thumbs up, Tim.
The apple fritter.
It's like a bear claw.
That's just like a Cinnabon. I'm not huge into Cinnabons.
Is it a Cinnabon alright?
I don't taste any apple really.
No apple. A little apple. Not much.
I had a little apple there.
Yeah, it's buried inside.
I don't know where it was, but
We need to get on the road because we're 3 hours from Montreal and we don't even have a SIM card. We need to get it going. Quebec City's Christmas market did not disappoint. I cannot wait to share it with you in the next episode.
every turn we take is just even cuter. I mean, look at the decorations.